Good morning, student. Yesterday, we have learned the Rutherford experiment, and today we are going to our next topic: drawback of Rutherford model. The Rutherford nuclear model of an atom is like a smaller scale of solar system, with the nucleus playing the role of the sun. It means and the electron being similar to the lighter planet. The planet describe well-defined orbit around the sun. The Rutherford model can be explain the stability of an atom. It is motion of an electron is described on the basis of the electromagnetic theory. The electrostatic attraction between the nucleus and the electron would pull the nucleus. Rutherford model cannot be explained the electronic structure of atom. It means how the electrons are distributed around the nucleus and what are the energies of the electrons, right? And also Rutherford does not explain the stability of the electron. Why? When the electrons move around the nucleus move around the nucleus and get attracted to the they lost the energy and fell down in the nucleus, right? Now today our next topic is atomic number. The number of the proton present in the nucleus, it is equal to electron. Atomic number is equal to number of proton equals to number of electron. Mass number, the sum of the neutrons and proton present in nucleus. It is noted by a number of proton plus number of neutrons, right? And the atomic number is noted by Z. Isotopes, atoms of the some elements which have the same atomic number but different mass number. For example, isotopes of hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. Hydrogen have one atomic number and one mass number atomic, and deuterium have atomic number 1 but mass number is also 2. It means they have one electron, one proton, but deuterium have one proton and one neutron and one electron, while tritium have one electron, one proton and two neutron. Therefore tritium is unstable. The second is isobars. Isobars, atoms of different elements having the same mass number but different atomic number. For example, argon, potassium, calcium. Argon have atomic number 18 but mass number 14. Potassium also 19 but mass number is 40, and calcium 20 and mass number is 40. And third is isotones, atoms having same number of neutrons but different mass number. There is the example of the silicon, phosphorus and sulfur. They have 16, 16, 16 neutrons, but mass number is 30, 31 and 32. That's right. Okay, student, these are the some point. And our next topic, we are going to learn a new topic. Thank you.